everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my facial at home. So back when I was in 11th standard, that's when I started going to the parlor to get my cleanup done. And the only reason why I would go is because I had a lot of blackheads on my nose, my chin, my forehead, and I would always leave the place with lots of bruises and it was never a good sight. My skin has been damaged permanently, like especially around my nose area. I have huge pores because like when they would do the extraction, they didn't know how to do it properly, right? So they would literally hurt me to a point where I would cry myself, and I just have huge pores. That's the end of the story. So either do it yourself or go to like trained professionals who know how to do it. Of course, right now you can't go to anyone, so this is when a DIY facial comes into play. So I do this DIY facial once a month. I wouldn't recommend doing it more than that, maybe twice a month. You don't need to do it more than that because it is quite lengthy and aggressive. So if you're interested in how I do my DIY facial at home, then keep on watching. Hi, so my voice might sound a little bit off. It's only because I'm having a sore throat, so please ignore that throughout the video. But let's just get started. The first step, usually when I do my facial at home, is I like to shave my face. So the way I shave my face has changed just a tad bit, so I'm just gonna demonstrate how I do that. I'll take some aloe vera gel and I'll rub it all over my face. The aloe vera gel that I'm using is the Mama Earth's Aloe Turmeric Gel. I do really like this aloe vera gel. I'm halfway through, but I can see like an instant glow once I wipe it off. So yeah, I really like this one. Then I'll just grab my face razor. I'll link the one that I use in the description box below. Of course, it's sanitized. Make sure to wipe it down properly before you use it on your face. And then I go in a downward motion. Never hold your blade like directly sharp vertical on your skin. Always hold it at an angle and go very gently. So I actually used to dry shave in the past, and I feel like applying some sort of gel on your skin really helps with the whole process. It makes it so much easier and smoother. Can you see all that? That's my peach fuzz. Similarly, I'll go around my upper lip area. The upper lip area needs a lot of help right now. So around my eyebrows, I'm extra careful, obviously, but I'll just go like under my brows and on top of them. Just get rid of the extra hair. I do not mess with the shape of my eyebrows because I don't think I'm a professional and skilled enough to be able to do that. So I'll just like mind my own business, just get rid of the extra hair. So I'm done shaving my face. I'm gonna quickly go and rinse all the aloe vera gel off of my face. Now next, I'm just gonna go in with a cleanser and just clean my face. So I'm using the Face Shop's Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. This is my everyday face wash, the one that I use in the morning. So just using that to cleanse my skin. Okay, done with cleansing. Now we'll move on to exfoliation. For exfoliation, the scrub that I'm going to be using is the Face Shop's Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub. I've spoken about this quite a few times. Today I'm going to start a new tube. This is what my old tube looks like. I like cut it open and scraped everything off so that I could use it to the last bit. But it's time to open a new one. Now this scrub is supposed to be applied on dry skin. Usually most scrubs are supposed to be applied on wet skin, but this one specifically dry skin pe lagana hai. Absolutely amazing scrub. Like I can't talk enough about how good this scrub works for your skin. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you guys is if you're a beginner at the whole facial process, you might want to skip out either the shaving step or the exfoliation step. You don't want to do both the things together. My skin is really used to it because I've been doing it for a while, but if you're a beginner, definitely do one or the other. So I'm just gonna take a minute out and take my own time and just give myself like a mini massage. Whenever you're scrubbing your face, be very gentle. Just use the tips of your fingers and massage the product in. Okay, exfoliation is done. My skin feels so nice and so soft, and the best thing about this face mask is that not the face mask, sorry, the face scrub, is that it doesn't make your skin feel stripped out of moisture and oil. My skin still feels very well moisturized. But next what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the blackheads. I don't really have blackheads as such, but I do have a lot of whiteheads around my nose, like the sides of my nose. So what we're gonna use for that is is we're going to be using the Innisfree's 3-step blackhead program. So personally, I really like the idea behind this product. Instead of stripping the blackheads, like literally ripping them off of your nose in one go, this kind of softens and moistens your blackheads, and then step by step it like removes them. By the way, I bought this product on the recommendation of Mansi Mao, and I really like the product. So let's just get started. Let's start with step 1. So from what I've understood, step 1 is to kind of soften the blackheads. So I'm just going to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes, and in the meanwhile we're going to do a bit of extraction. So I've grabbed the blackhead removal tool. This is what it looks like. I've been using this for a very long time, but here's a really quick disclaimer. If you've never used this, use it with a lot of care. Like, you don't want to be super harsh and like press on your skin. You have to be gentle. If the blackhead comes out, good. If it doesn't, it's not the right time to pop it. You know what I mean? I've made the mistake of like going super hard on my skin and puncturing my skin almost. So yeah, just be super gentle. By the way, you do want to sanitize this as well. Either you can spray it with some alcohol, or you can add it in some really hot water to sanitize it. Now, I didn't have a lot of luck today with popping my blackheads / whiteheads, but again, as I said in the beginning, if it doesn't pop, you leave it. It's not the right time to pop it. So we're gonna move on to a lip scrub while this still dries. I absolutely love this lip mask. This is by this brand called Scrubs and Bubbles, and it's their bubblegum lip balm. This just smells and tastes so good. It tastes like straight up bubblegum. So I actually use this lip scrub a couple times a week, and I'll especially massage it on the sides of my lips because there's a lot of hyperpigmentation there. And of course, I'll massage it all over my lips. I'll take like a minute out and just massage it and help with the blood circulation. So it's been 15 minutes, so we just get rid of this and we'll move on to step 2. And this is what step 2 looks like. You're supposed to wet your nose and apply this on top of your nose. Again, we're gonna wait for 15 minutes, but while this is on my nose, we're gonna multitask and we're gonna apply a face mask. So you guys might know that I am obsessed with face masks, but I'm just gonna give you 2 of my favorite face masks. The first one is the Innisfree's Super Clay Volcanic Pore Face Mask, which I think we'll use today, and the second one is the Mamaearth C3 face mask. I'm really confused as to what I want to use, but I think I'm gonna go ahead with this one. So I do realize that this face mask is very expensive, but it is really good. If you don't want to spend itna sara on a face mask, then go for the C3. The C3 is quite reasonably priced. Now, if you have oily skin like me, definitely go for a clay mask. I feel like clay mask does wonders for oily skin. I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes and I'll see you then. ठीक है, 15 minutes हो चुके हैं. Time to get rid of the nose strip. It's super hard right now. Also, PS, this is super, okay, not super, but it is like painful. ठीक है, तो I'm like warning you अभी से ही. Ouch. Right off the bat, I can see a few of my whiteheads that I had right here aren't there anymore, and I can see them on my nose strip. I'm gonna try to like zoom in and show it to you guys. Thoda mushkil hai, but try karte hain. So rinsed off the face wash, and I feel like you can already see how like glowy my skin looks. Very even, feels also amazing. We're down to our last few steps. I'm gonna apply the step 3 of the blackhead program. Now this is just supposed to like calm your skin down and close your pores. This is like the final step. So I'm supposed to leave this on for 10-15 minutes. In the meanwhile, we're gonna move on to massage. What even is a facial without massage? So I'm gonna start with some ice cubes. These are aloe vera ice cubes. So I just take aloe vera, apply, put them in the ice tray, and they freeze into these cubes. You could just apply straight up aloe vera gel, but I prefer doing this. So this is just gonna calm our skin down and close the pores. So I'm gonna use a lot of aloe vera gel, and I'm using the cube in like a circular motion. This is gonna help with the blood flow and just overall circulation. Okay, so for massaging, I'm gonna be using a gua sha. I think that's how you say it. Basically, it's a rose quartz stone, a crystal rather, and it's used to massage your skin and get all the lymphatic fluids like out of your face. So I would highly recommend getting this for yourself. I tried to find it on Nykaa. It's very expensive on Nykaa. I found this on Amazon, very cheap. We'll make sure to link it down below. But the shape is just so unique that it helps you get your blood flowing again and just massage your face. I'll show you how I do it. So I like to start with my jawline. Make sure that all your motions are in like an upward motion. Even if you're doing your neck, it should be up. So I'm going to start with my jawline. As you can see, there's like a little bit of a dip. So I take that dip and I push it back. So I do this 10 times. So each area I'll do 10 times. I would highly recommend doing this with some sort of like lubrication. Either you could use an oil, a moisturizer, or like me, you could use a gel as well. And then I'll take the bigger portion and I'll just push this behind. I love doing this because by the end of it, my skin just looks so glowy, because of course we are promoting like blood circulation, so sara khoon like muh pe aa jata hai. So you just want to continue doing the same thing on your forehead, and then I do it on my eyebrows as well to give myself like that eyebrow lift. So I'm just going to continue doing the same thing on my neck as well. So here's a really quick after of what my skin looks like. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Of course, I'm going to make sure to link all the products that I used in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. And follow me on my Instagram and follow Simbaa Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!